Hello everyone, welcome students, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So let me start our chapter number 3, that is incomplete. So we reached till here. So diagonals of the parallelogram. So here it is given that the diagonals of the parallelogram in general are not of equal length. In general, both diagonals are not of equal length, and one property is given over here. The diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. दोनों एक दूसरे को bisect करते हैं. What is the meaning of bisect? Means wherever the both diagonals are intersect, so both diagonals are cut into half, to exact half, means this part is equal to this part, means OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Okay, now let me see friends example number 6. So friends, in example number 6, in the figure 3.13, HELP is a parallelogram. This one is HELP parallelogram, given that OE is equal to 4. Friends, OE, this one is given 4. HL is 5 more than PE. HL, this one, HL is 5 more than PE. PE से 5 ज़्यादा है, मीन्स PE की वैल्यू कितनी होगी फ्रेंड्स? OE is equal to 4, so PO is equal to also 4, so 4 plus 4 8, and this one is 5 more, means 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 13. Okay, so simply here we got the answer. Here question is that find OH. OH means जो भी हमको 13 मिला, 13 का हाफ, तो 6.5, so OH is 6.5, OL is also 6.5. Friends, now let me start exercise 3.3. So in exercise 3.3, question number 1, in the given parallelogram ABCD, complete the each statement. Means friends, we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are same, opposite angles are same. Okay, so first AD equal to BC. Angle DCB means DCB, so is equal to angle DAB. Both angle are same. OC is equal to OA. Angle DAB plus CDB. DAB plus CDB, ये दोनों एंगल, दोनों का एडिशन क्या होगा? 180 डिग्री. ओके, दोनों ये दोनों का एडिशन 180 होगा, ये दोनों का 180 होगा, ये दोनों एंगल का एडिशन 180 होगा, ये दोनों का भी 180 होगा. ओके, सबको क्या हम बोलते हैं? कंजिक्यूटिव एंगल्स. और हम बाजू बाजू के एंगल्स होते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं कंजिक्यूटिव एंगल्स. नाउ लेट वी सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. So friends, in question number 2, consider the following as a parallelogram and find the value of x, y and z. So from here 5 figures are given, total 5 figures. In this all figures we have to find the value of x, y and z. So here friends, this one is given 100, this angle, this x, y, z we have to find. So simply opposite angles are same, so this one is 100, this one is also 100. Okay, and we know that addition of the consecutive angles is equal to 180, means 100 plus x is equal to 180. From this we get the value of x. So let me see how to solve this. So यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स मैंने फिगर ड्रॉ की हुई है. Angle B and D are opposite angles, so angle D is equal to this angle, angle Y is equal to also 100. Now x plus 100 is equal to 180. Now 100 goes to right hand side, so it becomes minus 100. So angle x is equal to 180. So this one is 80, this one is 80 degree, so this one is also 80 degree. So here we got the value of x, y and z all. Now another number, second number, that this one angle is given 50 degree. So friends, we know that this one is also 50 degree. Addition of these two is equal to 180 degree. So 50 plus x is equal to 180. Now 50 goes to right hand side, so 180 minus 50. 180 minus 50 is equal to 130. So this one is 130. So this one is also 130. And this one 50 plus z. So friends, 50 plus z is equal to 180, क्योंकि ये straight angle है ना. So 50, ये तो 50 है, 50 plus z is equal to 180. तो ये भी हो गया हमारा 130. ओके, सो ये आपको अपने आप सॉल्व करना है, ये मैं सॉल्व नहीं कराऊंगा. नेक्स्ट 3 नंबर, this angle is given 30, so we have to find the value of this x, y and z. so फ्रेंड ये देखो ये छोटा सा ट्राइंगल बन गया. ओके, सो उसके ऊपर से हम x, y, z की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we know that this one is right angle, so this one is also right angle, so angle x is equal to 90 degree. Now friends, this one is a triangle, so x plus 30 plus y, x plus y plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so value of x is equal to 90, so 90 plus y is equal to 30, so plus now 90 plus 30 is equal to 120. Now this 120 transferred to right hand side, so it become minus 120. So angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So angle y is equal to 60 degree. So here we got the value of y. And friends, angle y and z are the alternate angles. See, these are called the alternate angles. दोनों parallel line से बने हैं. Okay, so these are alternate angles. So both alternate angles are same. So y is equal to z is equal to 60. So here we got the value of x, y and z. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आपको अपने आप सॉल्व करना है. मैं आपको बेसिक्स थोड़ा बता देता हूँ. दिस वन इज 80, सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो 80. अपोजिट एंगल्स आर सेम. नाउ एडिशन ऑफ दिस टू, 80 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180. ये दोनों का सम 180 होगा. ये 80 है तो ये क्या होगा 100. दिस वन इज 100, सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो 100. दिस एंगल इज 100, दिस वन इज 100, सो ये दोनों स्ट्रेट एंगल है. स्ट्रेट एंगल है, सो 180. ये दोनों का एडिशन होगा 180. तो ये 100 होगा तो ये होगा 80. Okay, very simple. Now question number 5, let me solve this one, 5 number. So friends, in question number 5 we have the parallelogram ABCD. Here this angle is given 112, so this one is given, so y is also 112. B is equal to D, angle B is equal to angle D, so angle D is equal to 112. Now friends, this one is a triangle, so angle y plus angle x plus 40, y plus x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. So x plus y plus 40 is equal to 180. Friend, here we have the value of y is equal to 112. So in place of y, I wrote here 112. Now 112 plus 40, 152. Now this 152 transferred to right hand side, so it become minus 152. So here we got the value of x is equal to 28. So x is equal to 28. So friends, this one is 28. So this one z is also 28 because both are parallel lines, both are alternate angles. See, these both are parallel lines and alternate. So x and z both are same. So both are alternate angles. So x is equal to z is equal to 28. So here we got the value of x, y and z all. Friend, question number 3 is that can a quadrilateral ABCD be the parallelogram? ABCD parallelogram बन सकता है. 3 कंडीशन भी है, 1 by 2 and 3. तो तीनों कंडीशन अलग अलग हमें रिफर करनी है कि एंगल D प्लस एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. ओके, सो लेट वी सी. सो यहाँ नोटबुक्स में मैंने एक रफली एंगल पैरेललोग्राम ड्रॉ किया है. सो एंगल D एंड B, सो B एंड D ये दोनों का एडिशन 180 होगा. सो फ्रेंड्स, वी नो दैट अपोजिट एंगल्स आर सेम, सो बोथ आर सेम. अगर 180 के दो इक्वल पार्ट करने, सो फ्रेंड्स क्या होगा 90 90, तो 90 90 होगा. सो ये दोनों 90 हो गए तो ये भी चारों, ये दोनों भी 90 हो सकते होगे ना. यस, दिस टू आर 90, सो दिस बोथ आर ऑल्सो, दिस A एंड दिस एंगल C आर ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री. सो फ्रेंड्स, वी कैन से दैट it become a parallelogram, but it is a rectangle shape. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. rectangle को हम parallelogram बोल सकते हैं, right? because rectangle में भी वही सभी characteristic है. opposite angles are same, opposite sides are same, so rectangle is also a parallelogram. So we can say that it become a parallelogram. Now condition number on second. So condition 2 is that AB and CD is equal to 8. AB and CD same है, AB and CD same है. Yes, it is fulfilled. Now next, AD is equal to 4 और BC is equal to 4.5. AD and BC दोनों अलग अलग है. AD and BC, AD and BC, friend, AD and BC both are different, दोनों अलग अलग दी हुई है. सो ये कंडीशन फुलफिल है नहीं, बिकॉज पैरेललोग्राम में क्या है, opposite side should be same. So here AD is not equal to BC, so it is not a parallelogram. So now friends, next condition is like that angle A is equal to 70 degree, angle C is equal to 65 degree, means opposite angles are different, so no, because in the parallelograms opposite angles are same, so here both angles are different, so no, it's not a parallelogram. Now friends, question number 4, draw the rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not parallelogram, जो parallelogram नहीं है but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. ओके तो हम उस क्या दौड़ सकते हैं, क्या ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, हम दौड़ सकते हैं एक काइट, इसके दोनों एंगल 110 है, ये दोनों साइड सेम है, ये दोनों, बट ये पैरेललोग्राम नहीं है क्योंकि पैरेललोग्राम की कंडीशन है अपोजिट बोथ साइड्स आर पैरेलल, ये दोनों पैरेलल है बट दिस टू आर नॉट पैरेलल, राइट, सो हम ये फिगर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन 5 इज गिवन दैट the measure of two adjacent angle of parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. So find the measure of each of the parallelogram. Adjacent angle. So friends, we know that in the parallelogram adjacent angle is there. So addition of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degrees. So 3:2 in the ratio is given. So here we guess it as a 3x and 2x. Okay, and simply just do the addition and we got the value of x. From the x we can find 3x and 2x, so we got the value of both angle. So friends, here we finished till question number 5, exercise 3.3, question number 5. In our next video we will see from question number 6. Complete these examples as well as exercise 3.3 in your notebook. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.